Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to set up Wi-Fi uh, in Virtualbox. I mean in Kali Linux. So normally you don't get Wi-Fi connection, so you only get a wired connection. So in order to set up first, you need to do sudo add user. So you are using current user in Vvox user group. So once that has been done, you need to restart your computer. After that, open the Virtualbox, then go to this or go to setting, right? Then go to USB, then try to add it from this, add from here. So you can add all the USB. Now it will show the USB. After that, what you want to do is that's not a sufficient, what I mean. So you need to go on this Debian wiki. So search for USB RT200. So how did I know about that? So first of all, what you wanna do is you will get some error, right? So error look like this. So let me just open my LSD message. So we are looking a debug. Uh, mm, so what was that command, right? So I don't want to show that, but still, let's go up, right? Let's go a little bit up. So sudo d debug message. So let's write my password. So right now, so we are looking at firmware failed to load RT270. So we need to find this slot. So it's 2800 slot. So you need to search this and find this, and it specifically told you that you need to modify the source list. So you just do that. So it should look like this. So if I cat it out etc apt, so apt, then if I do source the list, then here I have paste the Debian package. So after that, you need to do sudo apt update. So let's wait for it. So while that has been going on, so if we look at this problem, so we are getting, what is our problem is we are missing the driver. So in order to install the driver, we just have to search for this. So where is that? So it's down, right? So we need to search this RT 2870. So let's copy this, selected. So then let's go to another terminal. Then we can do apt cat and then search for specifically what we needed, do enter. So let's see the firmware. So we have found it, and let's copy this. Okay, let me just copy this and sudo apt get install this. Let's do enter and let's wait for it. So it has successfully installed it. Now the error has been so right now what I did was I installed another package called firmware rawlink. So after doing that, I might have to restart my machine. So for that, okay, I could just do let me cancel that and let's power off this. Let's open this again. Let me just open my Kali. So let's do enter and let's write our password again. It works. Let's see now our network. Device is not ready. Now the problem is device is not ready. So now I have solved the device not found over here. So how I did it was to simply go to USB, or you need to just shut down your this virtual machine and go to setting over here. After that you are gonna see on network tab, or no, it's gonna be on USB. So previously I was using USB 1.1, so that's why it was not showing my Wi-Fi. Now I'm using your USB 3.0. Now it's working. So before that you need to have import extension pack for this Virtualbox. Then thank you guys.